Coach PJ here. Are you actively measuring the numbers in your business? Is your team dialed into their metrics? Every business has key performance indicators, or KPIs, that reflect the critical success factors for their business. When you have metrics in place, they can be used to assist with making decisions or taking action. If you're tracking the number of calls or leads you receive each week, you'll be able to make better decisions about staffing or scheduling. If you have KPIs around customer service, you can adjust your training or communication based on the feedback you are receiving before your customers make it a significant issue. As a business owner, it isn't always possible or realistic that you are involved in everything. Metrics help you keep a pulse on the business without micromanaging. With limited time, KPIs can help you focus on the areas that need your attention the most. When a decision is made to change a process, metrics can be helpful in tracking the results of that change. Does the change improve the metrics? Is the change successful? Implementing KPIs does not have to be complicated. In fact, keeping it simple will likely make it more likely to be successful as you're getting started. First, look to your goals for inspiration. What goals do you have for the business, and how do they translate into the work that needs to be done by the team? For example, if you're looking for growth in your number of referrals, then track referral sources along with the numbers that you call on each week or month. If you want to grow the average size of an account, then measure the average size along the different types of business they do with you. Measure both leading and lagging indicators because you want metrics that can control and metrics that show results. Making the connection between activity and results shows that you're doing the right things. Because what gets measured gets done. Build a scorecard for the business and have team members involved in taking accountability for their own numbers. If this is something that you're interested in learning more about, I have a number of ways to do that. We can jump on a quick call, we can get together for a coffee meeting, or if you know that this is absolutely what you need and what you want to get started right away, I offer a complimentary coaching session. We'll dig deep into your business, identify the opportunities, and put a plan in place to go forward. If you got value from this video, like, subscribe, comment below. Leading real people to achieve real results. Your business profit. Until next time.